At-Tariq, the night visitant. With the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
وَالسَّمَاءِ وَالطَّارِقِ.
I call to witness the heaven and the visitant in the darkness of the night.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ.
And what should make you know what the night visitant is?
النَّجْمُ الثَّاقِبُ.
It is the star of piercing brightness.
إِن كُلُّ نَفْسٍ لَمَّا عَلَيْهَا حَافِظٌ.
Remember, a guardian is appointed by God over every soul.
فَلْيَنظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ مِمَّ خُلِقَ.
Therefore, let every human being consider from what material he is created.
خُلِقَ مِن مَّاءٍ دَافِقٍ.
He is created from a jetting fluid,
يَخْرُجُ مِن بَيْنِ الصُّلْبِ وَالتَّرَائِبِ.
which issues forth from between the loins and the breastbones.
إِنَّهُ عَلَى رَجْعِهِ لَقَادِرٌ.
Verily, he who created him the first time has the power of bringing him back to life in the hereafter.
يَوْمَ تُبْلَى السَّرَائِرُ.
On the day when the hidden things shall be exposed,
فَمَا لَهُ مِن قُوَّةٍ وَلَا نَاصِرٍ.
then the person who has engrossed himself in worldly affairs shall have neither power to defend himself, nor will he have any other helper.
وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الرَّجْعِ.
I call to witness the clouds that rain over and over again,
وَالْأَرْضِ ذَاتِ الصَّدْعِ.
and the earth that burst forth with herbage and with springs.
إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلٌ فَصْلٌ.
That verily this Quran is a decisive word,
وَمَا هُوَ بِالْهَزْلِ.
and it is not a vain revelation.
إِنَّهُمْ يَكِيدُونَ كَيْدًا.
And they, the disbelievers, devise a device against it,
وَأَكِيدُ كَيْدًا.
and in return I too devise a counter device.
فَمَهِّلِ الْكَافِرِينَ أَمْهِلْهُمْ رُوَيْدًا.
Therefore grant the disbelievers respite, yes, grant them respite for a little while.